on one side of the date line at the Diomede Islands at the most narrow point, allegedly, you have a 10 a.m. on a Saturday, but a 7 a.m. on a Sunday, which leaves a 3 hours of missing time. They have entered empty space into this region here. Or let's say they've created space by removing something. When I measured 3 time zones, it is approximately 1,000 miles. So there are 3 time zones. How big is that? How much land would that be if you were to measure that? So I took just a snip across 3 time zones and took that same snip and I just created a space. So it looks like the land at the top goes all the way across, and I started to follow it across and I said, hey, it actually comes down here, and Terra means land, and I saw this land off the coast of North America. And that actually says Terra de Jesu. And it is right there in the middle of the Pacific. And when I type that into the Latin to English translation, it says the land of Jesus. This side here is North America, and it used to, even on the Mercator map, all the way up to the top, it's called California. And this land in the middle is called Terra de Jesu. And this here is called the Mer de Jesu, the Sea of Jesus. So we have one straight on that side, and we have one straight on that side. Straight is the gate, and they have deleted what was in the middle by removing the time zones. On the old maps, everything counts upward all the way around. So you'd have 180, 185, and they go up by 5s. However, in the new version of the spherical Earth, they actually remove that and they stop everything at 180, and then they count backwards to the opposite meridian, which is in Greenwich. So therefore, they've completely canceled out any problem of people wondering what happened to these longitudes.